In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your answer in Quora. If you've posted an answer on Quora and later decided you no longer want it visible, the process is pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove an answer from your profile and from the question page. Start by going to Quora and making sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where Quora keeps shortcuts to your profile and other account-related options. From that menu, click on your profile. This will take you to your personal Quora profile page where your activity is listed, including answers you've written. This is the easiest place to manage content you've already posted. Once you're on your profile, find the question connected to the answer you want to delete. Take a moment to scroll carefully if you have a lot of activity, since Quora may display multiple posts, answers, or other contributions. You want to make sure you're selecting the correct answer before removing anything, because deleting it is intended to permanently mic it down. After you locate the answer, look for the three-dot icon associated with that post. Click the three dots to open the options menu for that specific answer. This menu contains actions you can take on the post, including editing or deleting, depending on what Quora makes available for that content. Next, click Delete Answer. This tells Quora that you want to remove that response from the platform. Be sure to read the prompt on the screen if one appears, so you understand what will happen after deletion. Finally, click Confirm. Once you do that, your answer will be deleted. A helpful tip here is to pause for a second before confirming, just to make sure you're deleting the right answer. If you only wanted to make changes instead of removing it completely, you may want to go back and choose an edit option if it's available. But if your goal is to fully remove the answer, confirming is the last step. And that's it. That's how to delete your answer in Quora. Once you know where your profile tools are and how to access the options menu on an answer, the process becomes quick and easy whenever you need it.